spent some time this weekend buying holiday gifts. I know I did. I have to admit, I did my fair share of browsing online. So much money spent. Super shopper Dawn McCarthy is right on time with some of her easy holiday gift ideas.
Happy holidays, Colorado and Co. And lastly, a heartwarming gift the entire family can enjoy with City Bonfires S'mores Night Pack. This company was founded by two entrepreneurs who turned a pandemic setback into a brilliant innovation. These portable bonfire kits are perfect for cozy gatherings and emergencies. Buy one and you're not only adding warmth to your holiday season, but supporting resilience and American craftsmanship. So gather around the city bonfire and enjoy a night of s'mores with family and friends during the holidays. Cozy up to the crackling fire and make sweet memories. Speaking from experience, this will make any day feel a little s'more special. Order yours today at citybonfires.com. For more holiday gift ideas, go to dawnscorner.com. Until next time, happy shopping.
I like that s'more idea.